Okay, so we have a new scratch pad for the cats because Momo is too big for a scratching post. And you'll see Loki is very excited. Hi, Midna. Because catnip. And you love catnip, don't you, Loki? What's this? Are you excited? Here we go. And the dog is eating the catnip. But, here we go. Brand new toy. Cat toy. Dog called Dibs. This is how we roll in this house. Here you go, guys. I feel bad. There. Alright. We got Link. We got Midna. And we got Loki. Who's slobbering all over the new cat toy. Because, of course. Loki, if I give you a cookie, will you stop this? Oh, you choked on catnip. Dog. You did the doggy version of the cinnamon test. Which no one should do ever. Ready, Loki? Cookie. There we go. Go be weird somewhere else. Okay. Alright. What's going on, Linky? Hey, Momo. You want to go try out the scratch pad? Yeah. You thinking about it? Hey, Buns. Hey? If I sit, will you sit on me? Yeah. I love you too, Momo. Here we go. Ready? Oof. Oh my goodness. Picking up Momo one-handed, not the easiest thing. Momo is huge. Okay. Yeah. Oh, you just want a hug. Okay. We will come back. Oh, Midna's coming back. Okay. Hi, Delilah. Where are you? Where are you, fetch cat? Momo prefers lap to toy. Nothing is new there. Delilah. Oh, Midna's discovering the toy. It's taken just under 3 minutes for interest to be piqued. All right. There we go. Oh, hi, Scout. Oh, there we go. There we go. Midna is the first on the new toy, and Loki's back at the catnip. Okay. Momo, let me put you down so that I can distract Loki again. Okay, here we go. Woof. There we go. Okay. Hi, Delilah. Okay, Delilah's here now. There, go eat. Okay. Delilah, sniff the catnip, not Scout's butt. What's that, Momo? What's that? What's that, huh? Is that big enough for you? Oh, hi, Delilah. Aw, good girl. Okay. Midna likes it. Yeah, oh, yay, Midna's scratching it. Yay, Midna. Good girl. That's good, because Midna's one of the furniture destroyers. So, something I bought for the biggest cat is claimed by the smallest cat, but that's okay. We have to stop Midna from scratching, so that's good. Now, Scout's trying to annoy Midna so that he can get the thing. Hi, Zelly. Hi, Zelda. Okay. Midna's claiming it. Okay, there we go. Now, part of the reason we bought this is some cats like to scratch up and down. Some cats like to scratch. See, they pull like that. And Momo's a floor scratcher because he's too big for scratching posts. We thought this would be good for him. Momo's over there, so not so much, but the kittens like it. Can't call them kittens anymore. They're full grown. Yay, Midna! Good girl. Yeah. Midna's like, yeah, yay for me. And Loki's still eating the catnip. get it. That's the stuff, Midna. Oh, here comes Zelda now. Okay, we have success. Midna really likes it. Oh, she hit the dog. What happened, Loki? Hey, Scouty. Yeah? Is that good, Midna? Is that the best thing ever? Let's get in there. Oh, sorry, Midna. Oh, kitten scramble. Didn't mean to scare. No one's in trouble. There we are. Put it back.